I did maintain and said right from the beginning of the season we would like to finish in the league as high as possible. There was no mandate set, no position that we set ourselves to finish. It was to finish as high as possible. We didn't know where that would be, and I kept on saying that come the end of the season, where we end will be the highest that we could have finished the season. Obviously, as the season goes on, after 5 games, 10 games, 15 games, we evaluated and re-evaluated and reassessed, and it became obvious at a certain stage that we had the possibility of finishing in the top 8, which then became a new objective after we had achieved the objective of staying in the league. And that's basically it, to finish the league as high as possible, and if it is now in the top 8, that's just a massive bonus for the club. Football is never an easy game to be in, and it's difficult. I was speaking to Kevin Hunt the other day, just a general chat, and he interestingly said when SuperSport win the league, they end up losing players. The bigger clubs, when they win leagues, strengthen. And for us as a team to finish in the top 8, one of the difficulties we have is that players get noticed, and obviously the lure of the bigger clubs does become a challenge for us. But we're used to it. It's nothing new. I think we're renowned for building squads. We hope, obviously, to sit down in the next couple of weeks and a couple of key players that there is talk of them not staying at the club. We need to sit down and we're working hard behind the scenes to ensure that we retain the players that we want to retain and ensure that they do. Players make their decisions. Maman Young has probably had one of these better seasons in a while. Next season he could go to a different club and maybe not get the same amount of game time and a team playing towards his strengths. When you go to a bigger club, everybody relies on every other player to do things, so it can become difficult for him. So I just hope that players have the sense of mind to make the right decisions, and hopefully, the key players that we are talk of losing, that we can sway them to stay with this club, because I honestly believe we're a club that can only get better and grow from strength to strength in years to come, and I would hope that those players would want to be a part of it. We're a difficult team to play against. A lot of teams, I believe, this season, they don't necessarily want to play against us because we're a team that are well organised. And, we've played Chiefs 3 times in official matches and we haven't beaten. So, but it's a new season next year, new challenges, new players, different situations. But yeah, it'll be for us a fantastic occasion to play against a mighty club like Kaizer Chiefs in an MTN game. These are the type of games that I wanted to be in the game for, and players want to be in the game. So once again, the stadium will be hopefully packed, and a great occasion for South African football, and we'll hope to once again, do ourselves proud and be competitive. A big game like this, we knew at the beginning of the season, we would like to play all our games at home, but unfortunately for security reasons and the size of the stadium, we weren't able to accommodate either Chiefs or Pirates at home this season. And we're better away from home, so. But yeah, I know we would like to keep the games at home in future, but we'll have to just sit down and see. And sometimes a club like this need the finances, and to bring a game like this is lucrative for us. So, that's the way it is at this current stage. We hope to change it in the future. They make me proud. Throw young kids in at the deep end, and for them to come out of it the way they have bodes well. I think our squad had the most under 23s in the league. We consistently played between 5 and 6, 7 players at a time that are under 23, and for them to come through this season, hopefully they've got to keep their feet on the ground, maintain the same commitment and attitude and work ethic they had this season, and not think it's going to be easy, because I believe this next season will be tougher than this season for us. But yeah, I'm just very proud to see the players step up and have the courage and bravery to perform like they have.